A little breezy out here. Sunday evening. Oh, hey guys. I'm in the RV and it's Sunday evening. And I thought, well, heck, I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Might as well spend the evening in the RV. So I was sitting here watching some videos on YouTube, and it's one of my favorite things to do. I like to watch all the the people that I'm subscribed to and that are subscribed back to me. And it's a lot of fun. It's a daily thing I like to do. But anyways, let's spend the evening in the motorhome. We'll try out our new mood lighting and watch some movies. And it's pretty comfortable in here right now. The electric heater says it's 43 down on the floor, but I'm sitting here in just a shirt and I'm pretty comfortable. So it shouldn't be a problem sleeping out here. Yeah, no problem keeping warm with this sleeping bag. It's rated to 45 below. So even if it was cold in here, it would keep you really warm. Well, I'm sneaking in. It's only 10:30 and everybody's in bed. I'm ready for a evening snack. So check this out. I'm unemployed. So what do? We decide to rip up our carpet and put down new wood flooring. So we had to buy flooring and a new saw to cut the flooring. But it'll be good practice before I put it in the RV. Wow, it's Monday morning. Oh, it was a long night. Got chilly. Had to put the heater right below me. And it looks like it's snowing outside again this morning. Sure is hard to get out of that sleeping bag. And here's what we woke up to this morning. Light snow. Not too bad.